Want to grow a garden but don't have the space? Bucket gardening is your answer. This simple, sustainable, and space-saving method lets anyone, whether you're a beginner or an expert, cultivate fresh produce and vibrant greenery. Let's dive into the ultimate guide to bucket gardening and turn your small space into a thriving garden. Step 1. Choose the right bucket. Start with the foundation, your bucket. Choose sturdy 5-gallon food-grade buckets to ensure no harmful chemicals seep into your soil. Light-colored buckets are ideal to reflect heat, but feel free to get creative. Paint them, stencil them, and make them your own. Step 2. Ensure proper drainage. Drainage is crucial. Drill 6 to 8 evenly spaced holes at the bottom of each bucket to let excess water escape. To prevent soil from clogging the holes, add a layer of gravel or broken pottery at the base. This keeps roots healthy and prevents waterlogging. Step 3. Use quality soil mix. Next, invest in a nutrient-rich, well-draining potting mix. Garden soil alone is too compact. Enhance fertility and water retention by adding compost, peat moss, or coconut coir. For better aeration, mix in perlite or vermiculite. Step 4. Position for sunlight. One of the best parts of bucket gardening is flexibility. Most vegetables and flowers need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, so place your buckets in sunny spots. If the sun moves throughout the year, simply relocate your buckets for optimal growth. Step 5. Choose the right plants. Not all plants thrive in buckets. Stick to compact options like lettuce, herbs, strawberries, or dwarf tomatoes and peppers. For a pest-free garden, try companion planting, for example, marigolds paired with vegetables. Step 6. Monitor watering and fertilizing. Buckets dry out faster than garden beds, so consistent watering is key. Water deeply until you see it draining, and use mulch to retain moisture. For nutrients, apply organic fertilizers like compost tea or fish emulsion every 2 to 3 weeks to keep plants thriving. Step 7. Protect and support your plants. Buckets are exposed to temperature extremes. In summer, wrap them in reflective fabric to keep roots cool. For climbing plants like beans or cucumbers, add vertical supports like trellises or stakes. It saves space and improves airflow. Step 8. Harvest and enjoy. Finally, harvest regularly to encourage more growth. Prune dead leaves and pick ripe produce to keep plants healthy. With creativity, you can even arrange buckets in tiers or mix edibles with flowers for a stunning visual effect. Bucket gardening proves that anyone can grow a garden, no matter the space. With a little planning and care, you'll enjoy fresh produce, colorful flowers, and a touch of nature, all in the humblest of containers. Start your bucket garden today and unleash endless possibilities.